Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're going to talk about how to pin a post on your Facebook page. So let's get started. Well, after getting the application, go to your Facebook page by tapping the three line at the top left, then click here. Now, to pin a post, we go to our profile by tapping here. Scroll down and choose the post you want. And when you find it, click in 3 points here, then choose pin post. And if we go back, you can see here this option, pinned. And just so you know, you can pin up to 3 posts at maximum. Thanks for watching. See ya.